Hello guys, this is informationlot.com and today we will show you how you can set JioTune on your Jio phone. First of all, I would say turn off your data. I mean to say turn off your Wi-Fi and just be on mobile data, that is Jio LTE. Now go to the website informationlot.com for the tutorial. We have the link in the description for that particular post. Now you have the post how to set caller tune in Jio for free in 2019. Go to this. Now simply we have three methods to achieve this. First method is this by using Jio 7 app. Second is by using SMS system, and third is by using pressing your star button. So I would prefer the Jio 7 app. First of all, download the Jio 7 app on your phone from the Android store. I have already have the application. Now simply open the app. Now basically what you have to do is first of all log into your Jio account. I have already logged into a Jio account with my Jio network. Now whichever song you want to put it on your JioTune, then first of all open the song. Like I have this song Sakhiyan. Now just simply press on this. Stop it. I'm just stopping it to remove the copyright. But you can see JioTune is unavailable. Then it will not be you cannot select this as a JioTune. Here in this song you have this option of setting the JioTune. Click on the set JioTune and you can again preview the song and then click on set JioTune. That's it. Then you will get a confirmation message that you have successfully set your JioTune. Then message will be like this, that you have successfully activated JioTune on your number. This is one of the method. Second method is by simply typing JT and sending it to 56789. So then you will receive a message that will show you various menu, and you can select any of that from this list and then proceed further. This is the easiest method to set the hello tune on your Jio phone. Other one also is like, whenever you're calling someone, press the star key on the keypad and their caller tune will be copied to your SIM card. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel of Information Lord. Thank you.